Welcome to the Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize slide background on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, just open any document and then select any slide. If I select the slide, you can see there are no background in my slide and it's a blank slide. So at first, if I add a background, just right click on mouse and then click on format background. Here you can find so many options: solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. Choose any option. If I select pattern fill and then add any pattern, and you can see a background has been added successfully. Now to customize your slide background, just go to same settings again, go to format background. Then select your category. If I select pattern fill, cause my background is pattern category. Now here you can find color option. Just click here. From here you can customize your background color and you can choose any color as you like. If I select the color, and you can see color has been changed successfully. Now if I click on background option, then choose another color, and that's it. And that is how you can customize background on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.